This is the search icon and this is also close icon. Okay. So how to make this? If you want to make this, just go to editor. Okay. I'll discuss about JavaScript. There are four variables. First one is search for class search block, and second one is for search input. Third one is for search icon. Okay, and last one is close button or close icon. When I click on the search button, then it will check active or not. Okay, if it finds active, then search box below will be empty. Otherwise, it will add active into class. Then it will focus also for search box. When I click on the search button, then it will remove active. Then search box below will be empty. Okay, this is simple JavaScript. Now, um, declare a class name deflex and create a class name also search box input type and that class name search input and id also will be search input placeholder below. Okay, search here and button type submit and the class name and id also will be search icon and set a style for this button. Okay, and the button icon for search app search. Okay, then add in button close icon the code. Okay, then set a style for close icon. Now I will discuss about a style for every elements. Okay, firstly you need to set the background color is green. Okay, then for search box set merge top and left. Okay, and display flags alignment centers. When focused, then border will be full pixel and solid, and this is the color. For search input, white height. Okay, set the margin, padding, outline, border, and border radius. Okay, color. That is the text color and the background color. Okay, and set the transition, white. Okay, 125 second each. Okay. Now for focus search input color will be white. That's it. The style for search icon and close icon. Okay. And only for close icon set index -1. Okay. Padding and font size 25. For close icon hover color and background color search icon on active is available, then search input and search icon close icon. Okay, this is the transform and translate for x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay, scale 0.8.